Jeffrey?
Yup.
Oh, unique. No, it's okay, it's okay. Continue what you said.
Can I talk to Papa Bear right now?
Oh, Papa Bear is not unattended. Our Papa now is Jeffrey Muna. Is unattended. We are unattended. Please try call later. Ayun.
Eh, no, kanina pa kaya ako nagdadaya.
No, you talk to Papa Jeffrey first before you talk to the guys, okay? Okay, Jeff, you go.
Hello, Jeffrey. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can I please talk first to Papa Bear? Mamaya ka na.
Oh my God, you're so demanding.
No.
You're so demanding, but you have to talk to Papa Jeffrey first. This is our new rule. Okay, you have to talk to Jeffrey first before the host. Okay? No, I'm the secondary, Papa Bear. Secondary? No, you're the primary caller. No, you are the primary. You're the primary suspect. Yes.
No. May talk kasi ako. I need Papa Bear.
Ay, Papa Bear, okay. Okay, fine. Papa Bear lang. Go. You also call to Papa Kid. No, Jeffrey and I...
Papa Bear and Papa Kid.
Okay, you talk now. Go talk to Papa. Go ahead, Miss... What's your name, by the way?
Auntie.
Santissima. Go ahead. Sige.
Ano ba yun? Ito pa kasi yung vlog ko. Kasi po, yung boyfriend ko, kasi lahat po yung naging kami po, positive thinking po siya, lahat po nasa kanya. Kasi yung, kumbaga nag-break kami, naging negative po siya. Tapos, kumbaga lahat yung sinasabi niya, hindi naman katotohanan sa mga barkada niya. Nag-open siya, nagkukwento po siya yung mga about ginawa namin, pero wala naman pong ganun talaga. Yun. Nasasaktan ako kasi hindi po totoo yun, na yung mga pinagsasabi niya po. Hello, are you there?
Yes. Ano bang mga pinagsasabi?
Like, ano yung tutot po?
Oh my God! He's an alien, ha? Teacher like that?
Yung alam niyo na po yun.
He is an S&Tel.
Yung ano niyo na po yun.
He's Intel guy.
Oh, and then, another 3 words.
Another 3 words. What are the 3 words?
Start of letter S, and
Okay.
then end of letter X.
That's not word letters. Okay.
I hate you, ano ba yan?
Now, what's the problem?
Yun nga po. Nagkakalit niya po kami.
Pinagkakalat dahil may nangyari sa inyo.
Opo.
May tarantado din yung boyfriend. Tapakin mo nga ng mga tauhan, ha?
Ano niyo po, inosente po ako, nakakaasar po siya.
Pero sa totoo, walang nangyari sa inyo.
Oh, proud to be, wala po talaga.
Proud to be.
Kahit lie detector test niyo pa po ako right
Sige,
now.
bakit naman pag-aaksaya ka namin ng panahon? Mahal-mahal mo. Oo, wala naman pala nangyari. Dapat hindi ka apektado. Alam mo, itong boyfriend mo, alam mo, makipag-break ka na dyan. Yes. At pinaprangka ka namin, hindi kami namahal ng boyfriend mo. Wala naman nangyari. Sasabihin na, meron?
Siya po kasi, break na po kami.
Extra. Pala eh.
Tapos po, yung boyfriend ko kasi ngayon, friend niya, tapos may kinukwento po siya tungkol sa akin na hindi naman, kumbaga po, sinisiraan niya po ako.
Ayun, ito na, para maging cute ang usapan, ano? Ang mangyayari, ganito, hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng tao, papakinggan mo. Kasi pinapakinggan mo lahat eh. Maluloka ka lang. Okay? Hindi naman totoo, hayaan mo na sila. Hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng kapwa, papakinggan mo. Ayan. Okay? Oh, Jeffrey, did you understand? Yes, we speak Tagalog. So, how about you? What say Jeffrey? Yes. Did you understand the problem? I understand a little. Boyfriend, there was a boyfriend, an ex. Good, that is the making story. The making of story. Right? Okay. So, ano advise you? Oh, I advise that do not see that guy anymore.
Yeah, but
That is what is doing to you. Parang masabi. I love it. Ito na ba sasabihin mo? No, we're not fighting you. We're not fighting you. Look. Jeffrey is very continuous guy. He speak continuously. You try then, huh? Yeah. You try. You complete the sentence. But what? But I love it. Oh, there's a new one. What's that? I hate you. I love it, huh?
What a word.
What a word. What a word. Yes, Jeffrey, my man.
There are the times of joking and we have a time of
Serious.
problem. That's why we have to be serious.
Yes, yes. And we are serious this time.
Not all the time. We are
Yeah,
laughing.
that's true. You know, talk to Papa, that's talk to Papa. Not all the time serious, not all the time laughing. Yes, we're not kidding here. We're serious sometimes because we know that you are waiting for our intelligent advice. Okay?
Not so intelligent, slightly.
Lightly, okay. Meg,
That is
May? Shanty, whatever.
Eh?
Sabi ni Jeffrey, wag mo lang daw pansinin. Kung makipagkita, wag mong pansinin. That's just making stories down.
So, Papa Kiko, I need you now.
Yeah. No problem. I'll be at your side. Okay, don't worry.
That is a bad influence to you.
Yeah.
And if you are ignorant and you know that, and you know already about that because of him.
Yeah.
That's why be
That is so
careful
true.
of what happened.
Yeah.
You know, already in this world now, there are so many bad things, bad influence. That's why we need to be alert, especially be ready for what happened in the future.
Wow, imagine that. So what can you say about that? Not only wow, Shanti. Aside from wow, what can you say about... Aside from I love it. Yeah, and I hate it. Yeah.
Of course, I really thank you. Thank you for being
What?
such a good advice. I really appreciated it. Thank you.
Because of that, Shanti, I have again a new quote to you. Papa Bear,
Yes.
to borrow again your
Magic wand?
magic wand.
Papa Bear, quote of the day.
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
This is the quote that for you, Shanti. Coins always make sound, but paper, money are always silent. So when your value increases, keep yourself silent and humble.
Wow. Are you with me?
Papa Bear, quote of the day.
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
Quote of the day.
Are you with me?
Shanti, did you get my point?
I get it, John, by 100%.
And hopefully you will be apply what you hear.
Yeah, I really apply. Thank you very much.
You always say apply.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Sayonara.
Jeffrey, just speak English, no other language.
There are other foreigners
Yeah.
here also here.
So, sabi ni Papa Kiko, Papa Kiko said, but you always saying apply. Apply. So, kailan ka ba na-hire? Oo.
That's why that is the reason why I tell apply.
Okay.
Before I work here, I apply many companies, but sad to say, they not accept me.
But you are so lucky. Yes. Buddha is waiting for you.
Oh, my.
Don't you know that Buddha? That's seriously expensive. Somebody's waiting for you. So you have your position now. Oh. You take care of your job. Love your job. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay ko, Papa Bear.
Yes, anak.
I have my,
What?
the what you call this, sounds, I request the sound for my girlfriend and me.
Oh, what song? What song? Yeah, what song is that?
You know Sweet Baby?
Sweet Baby. That, you know what I know? I know that's a theme song for diabetic people. Yeah, the sweet and sour. Sweet Baby, right? Baby.
Yeah. Before we end the conversation,
Sure. You'll be the DJ. You introduce the song. This is Sweet Baby. Heartily dedicated, whatever you want to say to your girlfriend, okay? Just say it, okay? You express yourself. Go ahead, Jeffrey. Thank you, Shanti. Don't you ever call the show again. Aside from wow, what can you say about the show? In one word. In one word?
word?
Yes. What? Bulungan mo na, Jeffrey. Did you hear that?
No?
you say, Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, okay, thank you so much, Ashanti.
Thank you.
Jeffrey, this is your song, and you'll be the DJ now, so you're the DJ. Go.
My girlfriend, I know that you hear this song now. This is dedicated to you. It comes from my heart. This is the song with Baby. Dito lamang sa Barangay Allen 97.1. Ayo.
Yun.
Wow.
When I think about